Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be detailing my short-term experience with the recently done modification to my Bonneville T120, which is the removal of catalytic converter and replacing it with Motone Customs X-Pipe. We have reached Krishna Triumph, Chandigarh. On the left you see this is Elante Mall, one of the most famous shopping mall of Chandigarh. The bagger, beauty. Back to where it all started. This is where I'm gonna get new tires and the Decat done. Now guys, unfortunately I couldn't record the install process as the dealership where I got X-Pipe installed had no camera policy inside the workshop. But there are many videos available on the internet and YouTube detailing each and every step. It doesn't look too complicated. I will say, however, if you live in a country like India or somewhere in Asia where labor is not that expensive, I would suggest you get it done by a professional. I can already feel a lot of difference, man. I think booster plug and Decat together is a deadly combo. And I've heard as the X-Pipe ages, you know, you have all the carbon getting built, that will definitely improve the sound even more. I can hear the difference. I can hear the thump. Now it has added, I would say, probably more bass to the sound. Vans and Hines, I think they already have their very own character, but with the Decat you really get to hear the growl of, you know, what's supposed to be from 270-degree crank order. There's definitely a little bit of difference with the power. I can't quantify it because when you spend money on something you could even be playing with the placebo in your mind, so I'm not going to talk about power. I hope you guys can hear the difference now. Truth be told, I'm really loving the whole combo of booster plug together with the X-Pipe and the new tires. Now tires, obviously I would probably say should be the first one on your list if you have not started changing or doing any kind of mods with your Bonneville T120. That would be my personal suggestion. If I have to do everything back again, I would probably be changing the tires first. Second thing I would probably add would be the booster plug. Right now I'm standing on Chandigarh-Bathinda Road. It's an amazing highway and we have been cruising at 120, 140. I've got my other rider buddy Jussi with me as well on his Interceptor. The chrome one that you may have seen in other of my videos as well. Jussi. And his chrome beauty. So the question, should you be getting X-Pipe? Well, it's something that you need to research more and ask yourself what exactly you are trying to do. If it's just a little bit of more sound, I would definitely say go for it. So two things that I've been able to see probably a noticeable difference between 3000 to 5000 RPM. The bike feels more linear. So the power delivery is more linear, you know, 80, 90, 100, 120, up to 120 km per hour. I think that there is a little bit of surge in power, but it could be a placebo. So I'm not going to talk about that. But sound is definitely amazing. Let me start this beast up for you. So as you could hear yourself, I think the v&hexhausts sound much better with the Decat done. This is probably a good balance of sound and looks. Anything beyond that would probably be nuisance for me personally, because I do long touring in this bike. X-pipe, booster plug, and my new Pirelli Scorpio Trail 2. It's a trifecta. I'm enjoying it. My bike feels transformed. If I have to give them probably some weightage on what has done what proportion of transformation, I would probably say 50% booster plug, or probably 35% tires, and 15% X-pipe. But I think the combo works in a harmony. X-pipe I paid 16,500 Indian rupees. It's Motone customs, and I paid 3,500 with taxes for the installation. So that means 20,000 Indian rupees. For me, it's worth it. I am enjoying it. With that, goodbye, keep riding, stay safe. Connect with me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram under Aruj Singla or my pseudonym Consultant Biker. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep commenting, keep sharing your feedback. If there's anything in particular you want me to cover, let me know. I'll see you soon.